What's up, you guys? Today is a very exciting day. Well, for me anyways. So this is the very first electric guitar that my dad ever owned. It's a Harmony H-90T, also known as one of the lawsuit guitars. It's got a mahogany neck with a rosewood fretboard, and interestingly, a plywood body. He's asked me to try and get it into working order again. The thing is, it's been sitting in an attic for over 30 years. All the binding on the neck has fallen off, it needs a refret, the wiring is shot, and the trim is missing a bunch. I'm gonna try and keep it as original as possible, but some things are gonna have to go. The first step is to break it down, so let's get started. Just got done pulling the frets off the neck. I got some cleaning up to do on the headstock and the tuners. I'm waiting on the binding before I refret it. The body has been completely stripped except of the bridge inserts and the ground wire. The next step is going to be to polish it all up and then put the components back in after they're polished as well. So I just got the delivery in of most of the stuff I need. I got the binding, I got the new rolling bridge, the new knobs, the trim, bar, and then some replacement pickguard screws. I'm still waiting on the tusk nut to come in the mail. It should be here tomorrow, but I'm going to start working on the neck now. So I just got the new binding glued on. I'm about to file it all down and get it nice and fit to the neck. Hopefully it turns out pretty good. And then after that, I'm going to put the frets on. So I just got the binding done on the neck. Looks pretty good, I think, considering it's the first time I've ever done it. I'm gonna start the fretwork soon, so hopefully that turns out too. Otherwise this is gonna bomb bad. So I've got 9 frets on this guitar so far, and let me tell you, it is a pain. I've never done a fret job before, and I don't know if I ever want to do one again, but I'm at least going to finish this one out. Now I'm gonna take the time and clean up these old pickups. You look, they're pretty funky. Luckily, this guitar polish for Music No Bad is awesome. I've got all the components and electronics cleaned up. Next step is going to be to put it all back together. The neck is still being set up, but once that's done, it'll all be set up. I'll crown and level the frets, and we'll be golden, and hopefully we get some decent tones out of this. So I got the frets all crowned, leveled, and polished up. I got the fretboard all oiled up and nice and clean. Next step is going to be to put the nut on and set the action with the nut. After that, hopefully it'll be playable.